Yeah, nice, perfect. It looks like a very confident win. Cool. Earned $966. Hello, I'm Camila. Before the start of the video, I want to inform you that I have an awesome Telegram channel where I conduct trading sessions, live streams, and answer to your questions. If you want to be a member of my community, then go to my Telegram channel and write me in private messages I want to join the VIP. It's absolutely free. See you! Watch this video till the end and I will tell you about my super useful trading guide which you can get absolutely free today. Friends, today I will tell you about one of my favorite strategies. We will use two really simple indicators that if used skillfully will bring us a good profit. So, we go to the trading platform, I use Pocket Option and I will use the original link to the platform itself in the description. And we begin to set the settings necessary for this strategy. Set the chart type to standard candles. Time frame 1 minute. Expiration time 3 minutes. In the Indicators tab, add Alligator and MACD. Leave default settings. For this strategy, the conditions for intraday trade are really simple. For up trade, we wait for the green line of Alligator to cross both others from bottom to top, and the MACD green line should be higher than orange and zero line. For down trade, we do the opposite. Wait for the green Alligator line to cross from top to bottom, and MACD green line should be lower than orange one and lower than zero line. Friends, before moving on to the practical development of my new trading strategy, I promised to tell you about my awesome trading guide. My guide is a collection of my rules for organizing money management, which will help you earn big money on trading without loss. Today, you can get my guide for free. What do you need to do? Follow the link in the description of this video to my Telegram channel, subscribe to it, and write me in private messages I want a guide. Do it right now, and then you will thank me. And we move on to practice. Okay, so if the green moving will cross, I will enter trade. Yeah, it's crossed. And MACD is lower than zero. I'm entering. Few seconds left and it looks like a win. And yeah, nice! Perfect! We got $322 profit! Super! Friends, I'll be glad for any of your activity. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, to my Telegram channel, put likes and write comments. I do it for you. Green moving average crossed blue one. MACD is lower than zero. I'm entering down trade. Okay, a few seconds left and it looks like a very confident win. And yeah, nice! Plus $322. Super! Okay, I'm waiting for the next candle. Yeah, green and blue moving crossed. I'm opening up trade because MACD is touching zero and it should be fine. Five seconds left and yeah, nice! Wow, $322 again. Cool! Today, we reviewed an incredibly cool and effective strategy. With its help, we earned $966. For today, I have everything. Subscribe to my channel, put likes and write comments. See you in my next video. Bye!